Hey, what's up? The Huawei MateView GT 27-inch comes as something of a pleasant surprise. I had only recently tested Huawei's gaming monitor, the 34-inch MateView GT. It was a resounding success and I was intrigued to see what else the brand had up its sleeve. I didn't quite realize how quickly I'd get the answer. As the name suggests, the MateView GT 27 is a 165Hz 1440p curved gaming monitor that measures 27 inches across the diagonal. It joins an increasingly large crowd of very similar monitors that also opt for V8 panel technology and a gentle curve. These monitors are all launching at fiercely competitive prices, so where the 34-inch MateView GT had the floor very much to itself, the MateView GT 27-inch has a real fight on its hands. The MateView GT 27-inch costs $480. For the money you're getting a 27-inch V8 panel with a 1500R curve, a resolution of 2560 by 1440, a refresh rate of 165Hz and AMD FreeSync support. While this monitor does possess an HDR mode, it supports only HDR10 decoding and lacks even an entry-level display HDR 400 certification. In terms of ports, HDMI 2 and DisplayPort 1.4 are present and correct on the rear of the panel, but the USB-C port I loved so much on the 34-inch MateView GT is not included here. There's no USB hub to replace it, either, nor is there a 3.5mm headphone jack, which feels odd since the MateView GT 27-inch lacks built-in speakers. As with the MateView GT, the MateView GT 27 is a very tidy-looking monitor. The panel is slim, the bezels are thin and the matte black paint job suits my tastes far more than any outlandish over-designed gaming fare. That includes the stand, which besides being pleasingly straightforward, also offers a touch more upwards movement than rivals such as the HP X27QC, a crucial feature if you hope to achieve good posture while working. None of these things matter much if a monitor doesn't deliver in the performance department. However, there are definitely positives here. Out of the box, the MateView GT 27 reproduces 122% of the sRGB color space and 87% of the DCI-P3 space, which means you're getting vibrant colors from the off. Luminance peaks at around 396 candela per square meter, which is very good for general use, even in brightly lit environments. There's proof this monitor can produce colors accurately, too. Locking the MateView GT 27 into sRGB mode gives you an average Delta E color variance score of 2.04, which is pretty well imperceptible to the naked eye. In fact, only rarely did the Delta E ever creep up to noticeable levels, so aside from a few wayward red and yellow tones, the MateView GT 27 is pretty accurate for the price. It dawned on me as I was testing the MateView GT 27 that for once, Huawei is on the back foot. This monitor may have been intended to undercut the opposition as the MateView GT has, but the balance between price and features is off. By stripping away ports and settling for what seems like a cheap panel, Huawei has done itself zero favors. It's a real shame, too, since the other MateView GT is a truly excellent budget ultra-wide gaming monitor. And, worse still, this 27-inch model didn't even need much to push it into recommendable territory. Just one of the missing features would have done the trick. As it stands, however, the MateView GT 27 falls short. Thank you for watching. See you soon.